went like.
Today I go to my first estate sale and I'm going to take you through my whole day of yard sales and estate sales. Oh, what's up guys? It's Sarah X. Welcome back to my channel. It is currently 6:36 a.m. I'm about to go to some estate sales. It's my first time going to estate sales. The reason why I'm up at the ass crack of dawn is because it takes like 30 minutes to get there. And then also you want to get there, according to my friend Jonathan, who's an expert, you want to get there before it starts so that the good stuff isn't snatched. I'm really excited because I love thrifting, so I feel like I'm really going to enjoy this scene. I'm curious how these estate sales are going to be run because it's like very different depending on who is running it.
The last time I was at the estate sale, I was parked just literally like outside this woman's house. Wasn't blocking anything, wasn't blocking her driveway. And I guess they call the estate people and they're like, I'm towing this car, like, fuck this car. So like the estate people are like running around trying to find me with my Ford Edge parked in front of her house. I just see her standing on her lawn like this, sunglasses, looking at me the whole way, just as I'm walking to my car, driving off.
Going to estate sale number 1. Goal going into this one are these army figurines that are apparently worth $300+, but it's gonna be super competitive to get because everyone knows that it's worth a lot. So we're gonna have to find it first.
But they have a bunch of other cool stuff too, in case they overprice these things.
What other cool stuff do they have?
They just have like a bunch of different figurines, glassware, clothes. There's no way they're gonna be able to price. There's no way they're gonna be able to price all the clothes to what they're worth.
I always do just a quick Google, like in a thrift store, to like check how much things are worth.
Anything Pyrex, just snag it.
Really?
Yeah, anything Pyrex.
Pyrex? Pyrex.
Yeah, it's a very highly collectible brand. And if you see
People collect these?
If you see any Griswold pans or pots, snag those as well.
Griswold, okay.
I watched like 3 videos of those last night.
Oh, apparently some Beanie Babies are worth a lot.
What are those, my older sister collected them. Dolls that were like those women dolls.
American Girl dolls?
Oh, that is what my sister collected, but that's not what I was thinking about.
Woman dolls?
It's a different one.
I've never heard of women dolls.
I can't think of it. Comment down below.
Cabbage Patch? Oh, Polly Pocket? No.
There's a lot of collectible dolls.
Vintage like cameras and...
Oh, vintage cameras, singers, sewing machines. Oh, anything Coca-Cola.
Oh, yes. This is true for clothing as well.
Yeah.
Like for some reason, Coca-Cola stuff sells so well.
And like Mickey Mouse stuff too, right?
Yeah, like Disney.
Oh, anything still in package? I notice people try to snag because like if it's packaged, like usually there's at least one person looking for it online, and so if it's like still in the package, they're gonna always prefer that over something else. But it depends. Like some of these estate sales, like just sell it at eBay prices.
What do they do with the stuff they don't sell within the 2 days?
Sell it to like a bulk buyer. Like you know how they auction off storage units. Like have you seen Auction Wars or Storage Wars? Have you seen Storage Wars?
I took a gamble on this art locker. Hopefully, it'll paint a pretty picture.
Where they'll like open up the storage unit and you can only see from the outside, and then there's a bunch of people like bidding for it.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's
so it's like a gamble.
It's so hype, yeah. And like sometimes there'll be a bunch of boxes and people will see like the boxes are old and they're like, oh, I bet it's like really good stuff, and like it's all just dog
like
shit.
Trash.
Yeah. They're like, damn, I just wasted $16,000.
I've got some people already here. Oh, has it started?
If it started, I'm gonna be furious.
It looks like it started.
Good morning, everyone. This is our first day. We try to go by the prices. They are marked. However, if you think they're unreasonable, let us know. There's a lot of research and a lot of knowledge behind pricing, and we try to be as fair as possible for the owner and for you guys. Most of the small valuable things are here. Ask us and we probably know where it is. Okay? What's up? Oh. Cheryl?
outer box of goods. That one's too long.
You got a deal on that?
Oh yeah, I don't know how much that is.
It's $5. 5 and 2, that's 7, 8, 15, 1, 16.
I think the ball comes with this guy, right? Did you
Yeah, it was together.
This is a Wilson.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
I'll throw it in. Don't worry. 4, 19, 6, 3.
I was wondering if you do
Nothing.
Take them off.
29,
Let me see if I can.
30 on the 19.
I might take some of this stuff out.
Okay, so 4, 12.
I think that was also 3. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, I think I'll keep this one. Zoo books.
Which you got for
This
free.
is framed
Wait, you can come back.
from, I don't know if any of you've all seen the commercials back in the day for these zoo books.
Now your child can visit steamy jungles. Zoo Books, the publication especially created for young reader, 1995.
Very nostalgic. Got
Very
these for free,
nostalgic.
so hopefully we can sell them for like, I don't know, $6, $10.
Yeah, Jonathan's on this eBay kick. Go check out his eBay.
Just starting up.
I got these Coca-Cola collectible cards, which is for myself. There's 2 packs in here, and I like the tin.
Yeah, the prices at this estate sale were not great, by the way, so.
That's true. It was kind of expensive.
We didn't find a ton of items, but still some good stuff. San Diego Padres shirt.
This one's, I think this is so cool.
I think so too. From the
1998.
late 90s.
And he threw in another shirt with that.
Padres jersey.
How much was it? $6?
Yeah, I think.
$6 for.
Did he? I don't know if he cut any sort of deal, but
Oh, I got Yellopoly for my brother. He told me to bring this back for Christmas. Apparently this was a steal. It was only $2, and the guy was like, $2 for Monopoly? It's a steal.
that surprised me. I always see Monopoly sets,
know.
so. But if he does these things, he's probably right.
Oh, this
Cabbage Patch
one?
doll.
Cabbage Patch? These are soft. Look, thumbnail.
Outer glow behind him. Toothpaste for myself. You can also just get like normal home goods. Like this was
I'm dying
$1.
that you got toothpaste and floss from an estate
I'm
sale.
about to run out.
Oh yeah, this is like, we thought it came with the doll, but like it doesn't. But he threw it in for free.
Anne Frank. It's a classic. He threw it in for $1. Why
Yeah,
not?
that's
I would
what
also read it.
Everyone needs that for school.
Oh yeah, that's a good point.
And a pan. Honestly, I think this. What was your favorite find at this haul?
There was a lot of really good stuff. There was a lot of really good stuff, but it was just priced way too high. So there was a lot of good
Yeah.
stuff, but we just couldn't.
The British figurines were too much.
Yeah, they were like 150, 175, 225, and that's what they were going for on eBay. So
I'm not gonna lie, I think the Cabbage Patch is my favorite find.
yeah, I think so.
I liked something that I noticed. Everyone's very friendly. Like that guy who was like talking about all the stuff he was doing. Like people were trying to help us out.
It's like a whole subculture.
Oh wait, it's coming up. It was like up here.
Yep.
Yeah,
I see it.
okay. We found a yard sale on our way, so we're gonna check it out. But yeah, this one guy, he was like retired. He does this for a living now, but he specializes in tools. It's like his thing. And everyone comes with little baskets, which I thought was cute. I don't have a basket, so I was struggling.
Yeah, everyone like was looking at you like,
Everyone
who's this
was
girl without a
like-
basket?
She just has a camera, no basket.
They're very sus.
And then someone stole my Disney jacket. But it's fine. I wish people had neighborhood garage sales instead of just one house.
That's what our neighborhood would always do.
Same. Okay, from the garage sale, which was kind of picked over, but did find this 1963 Chevy Hallmark keepsake for only $1.
Let's go.
Let's go. It's a Corvette Z06 in the box. It's gonna get good profit margins no matter what because it went for $1.
Oh, this is the one with all the
Oh,
sewing
sewing
machines.
machines.
That one's the one that's worth a lot.
I bet it's gone.
That's worth like 300, 400 bucks. Star Wars set iPad. I don't know. I'm afraid all the good stuff's gonna be taken if it's priced good, but still hit this one up.
Beautiful mermaid and salty pirate moving sale.
It's just like the little creamer packets.
Is the bomb for sale?
Yeah, he said $5.
From the second estate sale, which was actually a moving sale,
Moving sale, yeah.
I got this Tommy Bahama beach umbrella for only $5. And I've been looking for a beach umbrella because I get really hot at the beach.
We got a camera set with all of the bells and whistles. It came with a lens. I forget what
Oh,
millimeter
it's a
she was saying.
Canon.
Yeah, it's Canon. It's got the adapter to it, a lot of different parts and pieces. We did pay $100 for it, but we're hoping that we could at least sell everything either separately or both together for at least a little bit, maybe make 50 on it.
Do Cabbage Patch have names? 1978, 1982. Look, it's like an actual butt.
They put the name on the ass? This feels wrong. He has a pee-pee?
He has no nipples though. The car next to me has them.
Oh, it's a Spanish.
Oh. It like shows you how to stitch.
I didn't see a price on that one.
Yes! That would have been perfect. I thought it was me.
I don't know, I saw some weird.
Right in front of him.
Would
I
you
go
do
like
like
this.
5 for it?
How about 8?
These were 15, but I'm probably
They were
gonna
delightful.
pass on them unless we could do like a 5 or something for them just because they're pretty beat up. That's it.
Oh,
They got the money in and everything. How cool is that?
that's pretty cool.
God, this is bringing me back.
I know, I used to love this stuff as a kid. So that last essay sale that we swung by just randomly turned out to be pretty good.
Pretty solid. We got a lot of stuff.
We found these Disney Black Diamond VHS like tapes, like 5 of them, that some people were trying to sell for like thousands, and we did so much research, but apparently they're not actually worth that much.
Yeah, so what people will do is they'll list it for like thousands of dollars knowing that they're not worth anything, just to like tempt the person who like thinks that it's worth a lot. But there are also some, I guess, that are like printed with like things wrong that make them like one of ones, and I think those are the ones that are actually really
It's funny how the
expensive.
mistakes are always worth more.
Yeah, that was deep.
Haul time! There's a lot of clothes at this one.
We got a lot, and we got a bulk deal, which was nice.
I got this shirt. It's like Portland, Oregon. Look at the back. The back is what got me. I think that's so cool. Look at all the colors, and it just seems really comfy.
A picker shirt. I don't know, I think this is like a brand of vodka. I don't know. I like the art on it. I like the color. Big,
Yes.
Big blue kind of guy.
This is like the classic Jonathan shirt.
Yep. It's got a little guitar on it. And then we got a Champion SDSU shirt. I guess these go for a lot according to Sarah.
College apparel just like sells fast is what I would say. It's like high demand. Don't talk about this one.
We don't have
What
to
is
talk
it?
about this one.
Found a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Halloween costume. If you're looking for one, go on eBay. And it doesn't even have to just be for Halloween. Like onesies are in right now. Oh, this one's one of my faves.
Extra large red LL Bean jacket in great condition. And this one's nice. We got this for 10 bucks. Feels really, really comfy on the inside. Looks brand new.
I just like the red with the blue. Check the pockets. Something like there's cash. There's
We should
nothing.
plant cash. You're like, we found $100 in a jacket. Then we have its blue pair, this dark blue pair, which I actually love. I'm probably just gonna keep this one because it's my size, it's large.
I do like that.
Another windbreaker.
Mark Twain, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. It's a classic. We love a classic book. Are you keeping these books or are you selling these?
I'm gonna keep the book.
Oh, okay. You guys start your classics collection.
Yeah, I already had Robinson Crusoe, otherwise I would have bought that one too. I'm really excited about this one because I think we got a pretty good deal on it. We have a really heavy duty Columbia jacket, winter jacket. I will say I am noticing some stains kind of on the front here,
You can get that off.
but it's so heavy duty, and with the bulk deal, we got this for like $15.
Honestly, you could market this as a ski jacket, almost.
Yeah, I mean, it's huge.
It's really nice. I didn't realize how thick it was.
Worst comes to worst, we keep it and we use it for the winter time. If you know anything, I know they're like Air Force, do you say they're Air Force Ones?
Yeah, I think they're Air Force Ones. With the blue swoosh, and they're his size, so these are more for you, I thought.
I was gonna sell them, but I mean, we'll see if they sell or not. We got these for $10.
$10, and that was before she gave us the bulk discount.
Yeah, so we probably ended up getting this for like $8. They look pretty good. I mean, there is some like stains, pretty decent.
My roommate has like sneaker cleaner. You should maybe invest in some of that.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Because you could definitely clean most of this off, except for the scuffing.
Yeah, some scuffing, but
Everything else can be cleaned.
I feel like we could sell these for like 30 bucks.
Yeah, honestly, the shoelaces are pretty clean.
So we got 3 barely used colognes. And this is something to look out for at estate sales. Perfumes and colognes, especially if they're like well-known brands, these are like decently known. We looked them up. They go for like 15 to 20. If you have like a really well-known brand, that is a great snag at estate sales. We got these for $1.
$1 each. She was like, $1. Look at that.
Oh, this one smells good.
This one's definitely stronger. Whoa. I like Aspen.
Aspen's not bad.
Yeah, I like Aspen.
Definitely like this one the most.
Okay, so favorite find all day.
I think my favorite for the resale are probably those LL Bean jackets because they're just really high quality.
I think this shirt is my favorite outfit find. And y'all should definitely check out some estate sales in your area because they're fun.